In order to add panels to your walls, select the surface of the wall and navigate to the Walls section tab in the left-hand panel. Here, select Tiling and Cutting tool and you'll be presented with an elevation profile of the wall. To add a shape, click on the Add Shape icon in the toolbar, and in the Sketcher mode, you will have the option of using the line or the rectangle tool to create your panel. You can use the rectangle tool, or for a more precise measurement, you can use the line tool as well in order to determine the exact dimensions. Once the shape is made, you can even select any of the edges and shift it upwards or downwards by either dragging it, or for a more precise shifting, go to the left hand panel and under Shift Edge, press Shift down by either a positive for going down or a negative value for shifting it upwards. Let's say I'm shifting it upwards by -2000 and press enter. And now you can see the edge has shifted upwards. In this manner, you can make the measurements to your panel. And if you want to array this particular panel across the wall, simply select the panel by doing a window selection from top to bottom diagonally and select copy in the toolbar and set the mode to multiply straight fixed distance. This is in case you have a center to center distance in mind. Then type in the center to center distance in the field against multiply straight and press enter. Click on the base point of that particular panel and move your mouse across the wall. And you can see a preview of panels being formed. Once you're satisfied with the number, click once to set the panel, and you can even make some last minute adjustments by clicking on any of the edges and dragging it to snap to the wall edge. Once done, you can select apply to save the change. And now a modal will appear asking you if you want to save these shapes as six individual entities or save it as one collective entity. If you want these particular shapes to have different properties in terms of material, depth, etc., you can go ahead and click on Save as Six Entities. And now, when you click on each panel, all of them will have their individual properties to be edited. You can set the type to extrude and keep whatever thickness you want under the depth field and keep the front shift as 0. From the material, you can choose from the used material list, or you can fetch from store and choose a different material for your panel. However, if you want to treat all of these shapes as one collective entity from the start, you can go to Add Shape once again. And this time, if you were to array these shapes again and select Apply, and now if you want these four closed shapes to be treated as one entity, then you can click on Save as one entity. And now you only have to click on any of the shapes once in order to change the property collectively. Now, when you go back to designing, You can see that these panels have been added to the wall.